Alright, Basement Gourmet. We're going to do a wild mushroom tortellini today. Been on a homemade pasta kick here lately. We still got some of these awesome wild mushrooms laying around. I had so damn many of them, what I did was I had to par cook them in a little bit of butter. Cook them about halfway, get all the moisture out, and vacuum seal them up. I say they're good for 3 to 4 weeks in the fridge like that. So we still got some laying around. We're going to go ahead and make up some homemade tortellini. For this filling, so we're going to fire up that pan, olive oil, butter. That's looking good. Let's go ahead and throw in some fine diced shallot. Salt and pepper. Go for a minute. Good. Good. Add some minced garlic. Good. Add the mushrooms. Thyme in there. I get that with a little white wine, a little bit. About half that little bottle. I'm going to cook that off until it's almost dry. Okay, so now that these are cooled down, I think I will run a knife through them, chop them up a little finer, not a whole bunch, but stop right there. Leave it on the chunky side. Alright, I keep it pretty simple. Do Parmesan cheese, that's probably half a cup there. Seasoned breadcrumb. I ain't gonna use all that. Splash of heavy cream. Kind of wetting those breadcrumbs. Breadcrumb. The important thing, give it a taste. Oh yeah. Pinch of salt, pepper. That's good. This is a small batch here. So that's got a little bit of pasta laying around, so. Alright, take some of that fresh pasta. Usual drill. Run through the machine on one. Maybe a couple times. You can click the link in the description for the fresh pasta video. Okay. Good. The best way to cut this is probably a pizza cutter. Kind of square it up. We'll run that back through the machine. The other stuff, don't worry. So we're going to go about that big, I guess. I'm going to try to keep them as square as you can. I'll show you why in a minute. That's a lot off there. So you want to go about pretty square. The reason is when you bring the corners together, it's not square. See what I mean? That one's out a little. It's not gonna line up. So we want it to square. When you get down to the nitty-gritty, get your tape measure out, I guess. Mushroom filling. Do this one here, it looks pretty good. What you want to do, bring the corners together, and go around and push out all the air. Don't want any air in them. This is nice. The pasta's a little on the wet side, so you don't really need an egg wash. Okay, so once you got your triangle, roll it. I like to bring the point past. Okay, take them, pinch it together. There you go. That's a tortellini. Do another one. It'd be tempting to put too much filling in, but don't do it. Let's get your problems in the end. Let's bring the corners together. Get all the air out. Put it together real good. Make sure it seals. Roll it. Like that. Bring them together. Also a tortellini. Alright, so let's go ahead and make these tortellini. Our brown butter sauce, I know, 2 in a row. A little brown butter kick here. Same as with the butternut squash ravioli. Brown butter, not burned. Once again, you can see how it's got the kind of sediment on the bottom. So we're going to put our mushrooms in. Now remember, those are hard cooked when I vacuum sealed them. About halfway cooked with just a little bit of butter. I don't need too much. Get some salt and pepper though. Definitely some thyme on this dish. Fresh, even better. You got it. Drain leaf. So we're going to sear those pretty good. You want some really good color on the mushrooms. Okay. Alright, those are seared up pretty good. So now I want a good champagne vinegar. And this stuff here, I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way. For this is I'm doing one order, so I'm talking like. Oh, that's probably maybe a teaspoon, a little more. That's what I spilled on the floor. But not much. Okay. I say for one serving, a teaspoon or less. Okay. Let that cook off. I got some good homemade beef stock. Going in there. Now's the time. Go ahead and drop them tortellini because they only take about 3 minutes. A little heavy cream. Get some grated tomatoes. Slice them in half. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking good already. Definitely need some salt and pepper. Alright, so if you start to panic there, you'll make your sauce get a little thick. Just remember, these tortellinis are coming out. So while you're at it, go ahead. Throw a little pasta water in there maybe. Tomatoes. crank that heat. Finish this off. High heat. Keep it ripping. Alright, a couple pieces of butter. Piece of butter, finish her off. Kill the heat. Plate it up. Alright, it's tortellini. Beautiful. Taste. My. Look at that. Parmesan. Alright, so there you have it. Some wild mushroom tortellini with a champagne brown butter sauce, some cherry tomatoes, and some pound syrup wild mushrooms. Basement gourmet.